single-ended differential PAs. So single-ended is going to be direct up converter power amplifier antenna. The balloon is impedance transformer, so which will convert the impedance from the up converter to your power amplifier. So it is used for impedance matching, and also for effective power transfer, or you want to minimize the losses, you can go for this balloon. Balloon is balanced, unbalanced transformer. One side it is balanced and one side it is unbalanced. Balanced not grounded, other side it is not grounded, so it is balanced unbalanced transformer. So balloon introduces its own loss, thereby the voltage gain will be reduced by some amount as the signal passes through this balloon. But balloon ensures that the proper impedance matching will take place. So this is one case where the feedback will happen in the power amplifier due to bond wires fabrication, and that will create resonance and it will alter the impedance properties of your power amplifier. And that is what is shown here, the feedback path where the possible currents may flow because of this bond wire fabrication. Okay, that is what is given in detail here. So either see previous case you see we used PA after balloon, but now we are using balloon after the PA. So can they be changed in their position? Yes, when you have systems in cascade, you can interchange their positions effectively. So PA, usually PA will drive the antenna, but here the PA is driving your balloon and balloon will drive your antenna. So this is helpful to reduce the yellow pulling. Okay, so that is the one change in configuration we do. I'm increasing the position of PA and balloon to ensure that the local oscillator pulling is going to be completely eliminated. So some transmitter designs are fully differential circuits. Some go for different single-ended case also. So there is no clear idea when you have to go for single-ended, when you have to go for differential, while others opt for a single-ended PA with or without a balloon following the up converter. So majority of people go for single-ended PA. Either using a balloon is completely optional. So either you can go for a balloon or not. That is left to the design.